Hey everyone, welcome back to the Docker playlist. In the previous videos, we covered the basics, what is Docker and how to install it using a simple post office example to help visualize the concepts. Today, we are going to explain the architecture of Docker, but instead of just technical jargon, I'll use a simple example, a post office. Let's see how Docker works by comparing it to how packages move through the post office system. First, imagine the Docker engine as the whole post office building. This is where all the work happens, sorting, sending, and receiving packages. Inside the post office, we have the Docker Daemon. Think of the daemon as the postmaster, the person in charge who manages everything behind the scenes. The postmaster organizes all the packages, or containers, makes sure they're delivered, and keeps track of what's going on. Next, the Docker CLI is like the customers who come to the post office to send or receive packages. You, the customer, tell the postmaster what you want to do, like send this package to my friend or get me the package I ordered. The postmaster listens and makes it happen. So, when you type commands like docker run or docker build, you are basically giving instructions to the postmaster. Now, what are these Docker images and containers? Think of a Docker image as a package ready to be shipped. It's packed with everything your friend will need, clothes, toys, or books, all neatly wrapped and labeled. The image doesn't move around itself, it's just the blueprint or the packed box. A Docker container is the actual delivery of that package, the package in transit or being opened and used. Containers are the running instances of images, they're the packages being handled and moved in the system. Finally, let's talk about Docker Hub. Docker Hub is like the central post office warehouse, a huge facility where all kinds of packages are stored and organized for delivery all over the world. You can go to Docker Hub to find ready-made packages, images, that others have sent, or you can send your own packages there for others to use. It's a place for sharing and discovering containers, just like a post office warehouse is for storing and sorting packages before they're delivered. So, to wrap up, Docker's architecture is like a post office. The Docker engine is the building. The Docker daemon is the postmaster who manages everything. The Docker CLI is you, the customer giving instructions. Docker images are the packed packages. Docker containers are the packages being delivered. And Docker Hub is the central warehouse for storing and sharing packages. This video is part of our Docker Basics playlist, where we'll continue to explore Docker with simple and clear examples. If you have questions or want to see more videos like this, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-understand tech explanations. Thanks for watching and see you next time.